and gentlemen, boys and girls, this the news beat presented to you by ladies like and Jess Santino. Follow the beat from the studio to the street. Info with the flow keeps you sharp and in the know. Sit back, relax, enjoy the news. Follow. Senegal and South Korea sure democracy works. They say democracy works when justice is served, like how South Korean president was removed.
Back when I was caught in a corruption scandal, and among the people a fire was kindled. Supporters and protesters of President Park took to the streets and demonstrated for weeks.
Park was suspended in December. They put a pause on her presidential power. Last week she was removed for her actions for violating the law and the constitution.
The verdict resulted in protests, and Park supporters railed in unrest. Police were attacked by protesters, leading to the death of 2 demonstrators.
As a president, Park enjoyed immunity, and now she faces charges of bribery as well as abuse of power and extortion.
For South Korea, removing her was a sign that democracy had improved over time. This reminds me of a similar case in Senegal, where the arrested Mayor Khalifa Sall is in custody for embezzling funds as well as criminal conspiracy and fraud.
He thinks the arrest is simply politics, but perhaps the people are fed up of his tricks.
Looks like justice was served twice, and this time politicians will pay the price. African design is making headline with international furniture brand IKEA, recruiting top designers from Africa to create a unique African furniture line. 7 designers have been chosen, and IKEA wants to tap into the continent's creative explosion. From North to South Africa, design is in full expansion. From Nairobi to Joburg, Africa is getting a long-awaited recognition. Craft markets are often similar on the continent, but African design is more than beads and wax print. The new collection will launch in 2019, but it will be available in Africa remains to be seen. IKEA is only present in Morocco and Egypt, but it said it wishes to expand to the African market. In the meantime, other African designers are filling the gap, like in Nairobi, where Siru Aweru is making African design work. His company Fun Kids makes locally designed furniture. Think global, act local. That's the gateway into the future. Animal populations have been affected in the recent years. Our reporter Oki Forever is here with more.
Animal populations have been severely affected by climate change. Relentless poaching and wars have also affected some animals to disappear from their historic range. Deforestation has also destroyed the natural habitats of many wild animals, and agricultural activities continue to disrupt animals in the world's wildlife corridors. Climate change poses the largest threat to polar bears, as increasing temperatures are forcing them off the ice early each year. Scientists say it could take about 3 decades for these rare species to disappear. Orangutans too could be extinct in the next decade due to the excessive poaching and the illegal pet trade. The destruction of their habitats in Borneo and Sumatra, the only 2 islands on which they exist, has also helped put one of man's closest relatives onto the endangered list. Tigers have also been extensively poached in many Asian countries and have consequently disappeared from 90% of their territories. The remaining tigers in the wild can only be found in Nepal and India, with the big cats now functionally extinct in Cambodia. Sea turtles return to the same beach each year to lay eggs, a phenomenon that has been a mystery and a source of scientific debates. However, the sea turtles now face a possible extinction due to the fisheries by catch and the intense practice of egg collection. Sadly, the western black rhino was officially declared extinct last year by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. And like the black rhino, many animals have also fallen prey to the game hunting ventures. I'm Oki Forever, reporting for Newsbeat.
Thank you, Oki Forever, for that report. After last week's International Women's Day celebrations, many women groups called for more women participation in higher echelons of government administrations, as the women account for almost half of the world's population, and yet they represent less than 10% of the leaders in the UN member nations. And although the number of women leaders has grown according to the UN analysis, there are still only 15 female leaders in the whole world currently in office. The increased number of female leaders has been in Europe, Asia, Latin America and Africa, with the numbers at their lowest in North America. Evidently in 2016, Hillary Clinton became America's first female presidential candidate, nominated by a major party to run for head of state. Unfortunately, 2 of the world's female leaders have been pushed out of the executive chair. As back when here, the first female president of Democratic Republic of Korea was recently impeached for employing the services of a fortune teller. 6 months after dilemma, Rousseff, Brazil's first elected female head of state, was impeached for manipulating the country's federal budget. Nevertheless, the UN analysis indicated that electing more women into positions of authority led to the rapid development of the society. That was the news on the beat. Next week will be another hit. Still ladies like and Jess Santino, reporting live and direct with love and respect. Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Yes, follow the beat.
Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Yes, follow the